said
yan,
earlier. Excuse
hindi
me,
po
excuse
siya
me.
po
No,
pwede.
excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me
No,
kasi
no, excuse me, excuse me. At
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya? One more
I
and
apologize.
I will cite you in contempt.
Pero bilang abogado and naging professor ng constitutional law, I'm familiar with the rules of the Senate. And the Senate says that in proving facts, the rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang
excuse
po-
me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate
Well,
are.
I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. You don't
My
need to
answer
cite,
po
it's not
is
necessary.
that document is only evidence of its existence. Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier, excuse
hindi
me,
po
excuse
siya
me.
po
No,
pwede.
excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me
No,
kasi
excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but I am a
Yes, it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I was
Wait.
asked
Let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko po
already answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto niyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil, papatigil niyo ako kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes.
I thought we were engaged in the
Attorney.
search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I am
Chair,
saying,
Madam
yes, and
Chair.
Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
One more
I
and
apologize.
I will cite you in contempt. And if you disrespect the chairperson, we'll be compelled to cite you in contempt.
I understand and I apologize.
Huwag mo naman
Your Honor.
sabayan siya, nagsasalita siya, siya ang chairperson.
Okay, Your Honor. I understand. I apologize.
Salamat, Sen Sherwin. At salamat, Attorney Roque, sa apology niyo kay Sen Sherwin. All I'm saying is, there is no need for any resource person to cite the rules of the Senate to a Senate committee. We know that. So please just answer the questions which are being asked of each resource person at length with an embarrassment of time para masagot nyo yung mga tanong. But please stick to the topics and do not lecture a Senate committee about the rules of the Senate committee. We know that. We correct ourselves kapag lumalabag kami doon. So,